Having problems staying mid-foot, dive bombing, or sloppy knees at the bottom? Let's talk tempo squats. A little later on in a lifter's career, there's a bunch of issues that can start popping up in the squat that need addressing. And the tempo squat is a great way to do this. The reason we'll put this in is because there's quite a few problems that we can address using this slowed down tempo to fix and for the lifter to really feel what they're doing. Some of those may include having a hard time staying mid-foot, losing thoracic extension on the way up or the way down, crashing or dive bombing into the bottom, even having some knee slide as well is a problem that we see all the time. The reason why the tempo squat can be so effective is because the slowed down speed of the bar makes it very, very difficult to keep repeating some of these common mistakes. For example, it's very, very hard to have your knees slide at the bottom when you're intentionally coming down for 2 or 3 seconds with a pause at the bottom. It solves that problem on its own. The way we would typically program this in our gym is to insert this on a lighter day during the middle of the week to really fix some of these issues. Typically we'd have a 2 seconds down with a pause at the bottom and a 2 seconds up, but if there's some problems that are really, really prominent, we can even add a 3rd second to the top and bottom. So have people descend 1, 2, 3 with a pause, 1, 2, 3, so they can really feel what it is they're doing. Let's have a look. The good thing about the tempo squat is that the mechanics are identical to our typical low bar back squat. All I'm gonna do is slow myself down so I can feel myself in space, see what I'm doing, feel what I'm doing, and really focus on eliminating some of those errors that I have. So, come underneath the bar, barbell in the spine of the scapula as always, unrack, 2 steps. I'm gonna exaggerate this just for today to give myself a 3-second count on the way down, pause the bottom, and 3 on the concentric on the way up. I'm gonna take a big breath. Reach my butt back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you can imagine at the bottom, it's gonna be very, very hard for me to slide those knees because I'm slowed down. Obviously, I can't dive bomb, and it's gonna prevent me from rolling my chest forward or losing thoracic extension. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is how it should look.